Shwmae pawb and welcome to today's UNCRC Assembly. As you know, we've already talked about the 4 categories, which are survival, participation, development and protection. We've had our first assembly was on survival, our second was on participation and development, and today's assembly is all about protection. So, when it comes to protection, there are many rights that fall under this category. These include right number 1, that everyone under the age of 18 has these rights. They're entitled to all of these rights, and there's between 40 and 52 rights. Right number 2, all children have these rights. Right number 3, adults must do what's best for me. Number 4, the government should make sure my rights are respected. Number 5, the government should respect the right of my family to help me know about my rights. 7, I have the right to a name and to belong to a country. 8, I have the right to an identity. 9, I have the right to live with a family who cares for me. 10, I have the right to see my family if they live in another country. 11, I have the right not to be taken out of the country illegally. 13, I have the right to find out and share information. 16, I have the right to keep some things private. 18, I have the right to be brought up by both parents if possible. 19, I have the right to be protected from being hurt or badly treated. 20, I have the right to a special protection and help if I can live with my own family. 21, I have the right to have the best care if I am adopted. 22, if I am a refugee, I have the same rights as children born in that country. 25, if I am not living with my family, people should keep checking I'm safe and happy. 26, my family should get the money they need to help bring me up. 32, I should not be made to do dangerous work. 33, I should be protected from dangerous drugs. 34, nobody should touch me in ways that make me feel uncomfortable, unsafe or sad. 35, I should not be abducted, sold or trafficked. 36, I have the right to be kept safe from things that could harm my development. 37, I have the right not to be punished in a cruel or hurtful way. 38, I am not allowed to join the army until I am 15. 39, I have the right to help if I have been hurt, neglected or badly treated. 40, I have the right to legal help and to be treated fairly if I have been accused of breaking the law. Right 41, where our country treats us better than the UN does, we should keep up the good work. And 42, everyone should know about the United Nations Convention of the Right of the Child, the UNCRC, and this is what these assembly videos are all about, to make you guys aware of all of the rights that you have and that you are entitled to.
Hi everybody, it's Sophie from Sally Holland's participation team. How are you today? This month's right of the month is Article 19, your right to be kept safe. There are lots of people who keep us safe, some that keep us safe at home, some that keep us safe in school or where we learn, and then some that keep us safe in our community. One person that keeps us safe wears a hat just like this. Do you know who wears a hat like this? That's right, firemen and firewomen wear hats like these, and these people keep us safe in our community, making sure they put out all the fires. Right then, who drives a fast car like this? Do you know? That's right, policemen and policewomen drive fast car like these, and these people also keep us safe in our community. And last but not least, somebody else that keeps us safe. Do you know who we go and see when we hurt ourselves or maybe have a bad stomach? Sometimes they give us really special plasters to help fix us. Who keeps us safe when we're not feeling well? That's right, doctors and nurses, well done. They also keep us safe in our community. These are just some of the people that keep us safe, either at home, where we learn, or in school, or in our community. How about you go and dress up and play some of these characters and think about how they keep us safe?
So having watched Sophie discuss and talk about Article 19, all the people that keep us safe, what we would like you guys to do is draw a picture of the people you think keep you safe. You might decide that you want to draw a firewoman or a fireman or a policewoman or a policeman. It might be a nurse or a doctor. It could be anybody. Draw a picture to represent the people that keep us safe. If you're in the juniors and Key Stage 2, we would like you to push yourselves a little bit further then and maybe label around the outside all the different job roles they might have and the things they do to keep us safe. Or you might decide you want to write a couple of sentences on how they keep us safe in their job roles. Thanks for listening, guys. I'll see you soon. Au revoir.